Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we want to talk about another type of ad format, which is going to be job ads. Job ads is another ad format you will see on the LinkedIn ads platform to use, with the help of which you can target your customers when you have certain job openings and you would like to target your customers specifically whom you feel might be a fit for the kind of openings which you have got. So this would really help to show your ads to those people who are more likely to take up such roles and interact with you and your business and check out your website and products and services. So this kind of an ad can be personalized to top talent, encouraging relevant candidates to apply for your company. So the intent is that with the help of it, you're able to target relevant users who are more likely, who are relevant to your business, your product and services. And now you are able to target them to show them your ads. And when they click on it, they visit your website and they find information relevant to them. And there is a more likelihood that they would do business with you. They might take up your product or services. They might generate a lead for you, which you can eventually in the future convert. So that's the idea of job ads as well, which we can create. There are dynamic job ads formats available in three different formats. As you can see here, your job ads can appear on the LinkedIn Ads network. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand how job ads are going to be. We will see how to create these as well in the coming videos in the form of a campaign. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.